Hi guys, today we are talking about CMF Watch 3 Pro. I've been using it for about 4 months, so today I will just share my experience and the features I actually use. Let's start with the unboxing. I actually filmed this back in February when it first arrived. The box is pretty standard: the watch, magnetic charger, a strap, and some paperwork. Specs-wise, it's got an AMOLED display, water and dust resistance, Bluetooth, calling, and a ton of workout modes. But you can find all specs online, so let's see how it's been after 4 months of using it. I've dropped this watch quite a few times and even hit a couple of door frames, but the one damage is tiny dent on the case and one small scratch on the screen. The strap is still soft and comfortable. After wearing it all day, I usually switch it to my other wrist. The alarm is probably my favorite feature. A phone alarm does nothing, but this vibration wakes me up instantly. Sleep tracking sometimes just misses that I wake up at night. Another feature I used all the time: workout tracking. There are honestly a ton of mods here, but most days I just keep it simple and go with a regular walk. Lace up, hit start on the watch, and off I go. Once you're done, you get the full breakdown right there on your wrist. How long you walked, your average pace, calories burned, heart rate the whole way through. There's actually a surprising amount of detail for such a small watch. And it's not just that one walk, the watch also keeps track of your whole day, total steps, total calories, how much workout you logged. There's even an overall activity score for the day, so you get a quick sense of wherever you actually moved enough or just sat around the whole time. Nothing crazy, but it's nice that everything gets logged in the app automatically. Okay, this one actually is super useful, controlling your phone camera from the watch. When I'm filming alone, I just prop my phone up, hit the button on my watch, and boom! I don't use the calling feature very often, but it's nice when your hands are full or your phone is in another room. Okay, testing the speaker. Can you hear me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How to make some chocolate pancakes?
Here's a quick recipe for simple sugar pancakes. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar.
Also use a timer and stopwatch a lot, super handy when you're cooking and your phone nowhere nearby. At first I thought the flashlight was totally pointless, but it saved me a bunch of times, especially at night when I need to find something but don't wanna flip the lights on. No idea why it even has color option though. Guess you could basically ghost hunt with it. There is a reminder feature too, set one and the watch reminds you. So I usually forget to even set a reminder in the first place. I just plan everything through my calendar in a way. Like pretty much every smartwatch, you can customize the watch face, pick a bracelet, or what actually surprised me, use your own photo or video and switch things up whenever you feel like it. Battery-wise, I'm charging it about once a week. Obviously, it depends on which features you have turned on. So overall, I still wear this every day. I like the design, the battery life, and the features I actually use. They aren't perfect, but after 4 months, I still don't feel like replacing them. If you have those watches too, let me know what's your favorite feature in the comment.